cannot pay the fees for civil engineers and all. They ask more exorbitant rate for construction and all. So just I went and I got a design, structural design, everything from some leading engineers in Chennai. He explained everything. Then after that we completed all this. Most of the children were school dropouts wherever we are going, okay, because they don't have the good facilities in the schools. Our aim is to provide very high quality education for underprivileged children. As far as me is concerned, Vision is silently doing many things what other NGO does not do in India. We asked for blackboards, okay, some of the chairs for teachers. We also want some playgrounds for our children. He immediately funded us. Next year we will have a partnership with Vision in library programs. He told that we will provide everything inside the library. It is new for a school to have a library here. These type of things will definitely change the mentality of the children. It will help them to progress further. Greg always tell leaders, some of them go and stand in the stage, dictate things. That's not leadership. Leadership means motivate others, okay, to do good things. That is the leadership. Totally different. I never come across this type of camps organized in India, never. First 1 or 2 days no one is talking, but this is a very interesting program for them. Okay, so little they started to mingle with the children, and in the last day everyone is crying because the program is going to complete. Most of the children from our school, when they come out from our school, they will be a good leader in their community. Together with the Visions, we are aiming for that. So 3 families in this house. This is the living situation of most of our beneficiaries. But he has to walk 3 or 4 kilometers. He is the head of this in this hamlet. So he bring nearly 6 or 7 children. He take care of his small sisters. If any boarding schools are available, we are ready to send, because education will change our family situation here. More than 10 children are here. We are illiterate, but we don't want our children to be an illiterate children. We suffered because of uneducation. We don't want our children to suffer. If we have a boarding facilities, it is good for their family. But if we don't have the boarding facility, where we accommodate the children? So it is the major thing. This is 11 acres land, and now nearly 4 years of constructions we got this building. We want some boarding facility for children. Now we are started to search funds for that. We are collecting materials required for constructions. We have already stored nearly 70,000 bricks for first floor. It's more than enough for us to complete but we need still iron rod. It will be for another 80 or 100 tons. Apart from that, the major cost will go for cement as well as for labor. We have our own aim, because we want to train people for some of the India's leading institutions like IITs, Indian Institute of Technology. So at least we will try to produce children from low background, from villages, to reach the top level. When one person goes from our school, remaining will also started to think about other leading schools. So that will change many families. We always motivate people to send their children to schools because it helps them to break their cycle of poverty. If we provide some education, it helps them to come up in their life. So these are all the things we have in our mind, and also with visions. Maybe it is very much possible in the future.